this video I am going to tell you all about the Ajio jeans that I bought recently from the Ajio. So in this video I am going to review the Ajio jeans in detail, so don't skip any part of my video and watch the video completely to know everything in detail. And also I will tell whether buying jeans from Ajio is really worth or not, and also the branded jeans that we get in Ajio are really original or it's fake, is of original quality or it's fake. So everything in detail I am going to tell you all about the Ajio jeans in this video completely, so don't skip any part of my video. This video is going to be very informative and interesting to know the quality of the Ajio product and through this video. So without further ado, let's start the video. So this is all about today's video. Hope this was helpful for you all. If you had any queries related to this video, please comment me and I will definitely answer your all queries question. And please like my video and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.